In this guide, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a post here on Instagram. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Let's go to get started though. Begin by opening up that Instagram app and tapping the plus icon down in the bottom right corner. You might land on something like story or reels, but make sure you go ahead and switch over to this post section and it's going to look something like this. From here, what I recommend doing is just filtering to your photos or even all albums if you would like. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and choose some favorite photos right here to post. But choose whatever photo you would like, or even multiple photos if you want to make a carousel. To choose a photo, just select it. To choose multiple, just hold down. To choose multiple, just choose this option up above it and then just select multiple just like so. From here, once you select your photos, go ahead and select next up in the top right, and this is where you're going to be able to customize your post. You can add music by tapping this little music icon down here. You can add text overlays or even apply filters to your photo. Whenever you're ready though, go ahead and hit next and then hit OK. From here, you're going to see pretty much what your post is going to look like. As you can see, we have a very wide assortment of pictures right here, but this is going to be the screen where you add a caption, insert a poll or prompt, adjust the song if needed, tag people, and even add a location. You can also choose whether to share with everyone or just specific friends. And once everything does look good, just go ahead and hit the share button down at the very bottom. Your post is going to go live instantly on your profile, and to double check, you can just back out to your profile right here by selecting the icon down at the bottom right, and you'll see that post within there. In my case, I didn't actually post anything, but your post is going to be right here, which is going to be ready for people to like, comment, and engage with. It's really as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.